World of Birds, located in Hout Bay near Cape Town, South Africa. It is the largest bird park in Africa and one of the few large bird parks in the world. Over 3,000 birds and small animals of 400 different species. Uniquely presented in more than 100 spacious landscaped walk-through aviaries, allowing you the most intimate closeness with nature. A paradise for nature lovers and photographers. The World of Birds is one of Cape Town's premier tourist attractions, which no visitor should miss.
Cape Town, why?